From securing networks to causing chaos, hackers come in many forms. Today we're breaking down the different types of hackers. Let's start with white hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers. These individuals are highly skilled professionals who use their expertise for the greater good. They work diligently to protect our digital lives. They find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. Their contributions often go unnoticed, but they are invaluable. They're the guardians of the web, working tirelessly to keep us safe. On the opposite side, we have black hat hackers. These are the cybercriminals, hackers who break into systems illegally, steal data, and spread malware for personal gain. They operate in the shadows, often using sophisticated methods to cover their tracks. They're the digital outlaws, exploiting weaknesses for their own benefit. These hackers are constantly on the lookout for vulnerabilities in software and networks. Their methods can be sophisticated, using advanced techniques to bypass security measures. From phishing attacks to zero-day exploits, their arsenal is vast and ever-evolving. They might target individuals, businesses, or even governments, seeking anything from financial data to sensitive intellectual property. No one is safe from their reach. Somewhere in between the black and white of hacking, we have gray hat hackers. These hackers operate in a legal gray area, often walking a fine line between right and wrong. They may break into systems without permission but report the vulnerabilities afterward. Gray hats justify their actions by arguing that they're helping to make the internet safer. However, breaking into systems without permission is still illegal and can lead to serious legal consequences. Then there are the script kiddies, amateur hackers who don't write their own code. They rely on pre-made tools and scripts created by more skilled hackers. They're like digital vandals, using readily available tools to cause minor disruptions. While often seen as more of a nuisance, they can still cause real damage. Next, we have hacktivists. These hackers are motivated by political or social causes. They often deface websites, leak sensitive data, or launch DDoS attacks to make a statement. Groups like Anonymous have made headlines for their hacktivism. While their motives might be rooted in a desire for positive change, their methods often involve breaking the law. State-sponsored hackers work for governments and are involved in cyber espionage or warfare. They target other nations to steal data, disrupt infrastructure, or gain political advantage. These hackers are highly trained and well-funded, operating with government backing. Their actions can escalate tensions between nations. Cyber terrorists use hacking techniques to spread fear and cause disruption. They often target critical systems like power grids or financial institutions. They exploit vulnerabilities in critical infrastructure to cause maximum damage. Preventing cyber terrorism requires strengthening cybersecurity defenses and international cooperation. Red hat hackers are like the vigilantes of the cyber world. They hunt down and attack black hat hackers using aggressive methods. They operate in a moral gray area, taking the law into their own hands. They're often motivated by a strong sense of justice and a desire to protect others. Blue hat hackers fall into two categories. Some are motivated by revenge, seeking to attack those they feel wronged them. Others participate in bug bounty programs, helping companies find vulnerabilities. By identifying and reporting vulnerabilities, they help companies improve their security. Blue hat hackers highlight the diverse motivations within the hacking community. Green hat hackers are newcomers to the world of hacking. They're often young, tech-savvy individuals fascinated by technology. Their motivations can vary, from a thirst for knowledge to a desire for challenge. As they gain skills, they might choose different paths, becoming ethical hackers or malicious actors. Understanding these types of hackers is key to protecting yourself, like subscribe and hit the bell icon for more.